Did you know that Australia came this close to not even having a public health system? My name's Liam and I'm a union historian, and Australia's first universal health insurance system was introduced by the Whitlam government in the 1970s. You may know that Whitlam was dismissed and he was followed by Malcolm Fraser of the Coalition. Now, the Coalition didn't like universal health insurance very much. They didn't like the idea that everybody would just have this basic right to health. What they wanted was for us to go down the American system, where if you wanted healthcare, you're going to have to pay for it. Now, unions weren't keen on that idea because we look at healthcare and we see it as a basic right that everybody should have. So when the Fraser government began to attack universal health insurance, we actually organised a major national strike in 1976, where 2 million working people took industrial action to try and defend universal health insurance. We weren't ultimately successful, and Fraser did get rid of the system. When Bob Hawke was elected in 1983, he had an agreement with the union movement that was known as the Accord. You may know that Hawke had previously been president of the Australian Council of Trade Unions. The agreement that he had with the union movement was that we said that we wouldn't push for certain wage increases to help out with the economic problems at the time, but in return, we wanted social services that were going to protect working people and enhance our lives. The number one priority we had was a recreation of universal health insurance, and this became the system that was known as Medicare. You may not know that the 1st of February 1984 was the beginning of Medicare's operation. So if you're around on the 1st of February this year and you have a spare moment, say happy birthday to Medicare, turning 40 and brought to you by the union movement.